Clio Credit Builder Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how fast your credit can start improving with the right approach. Most people get the Clio Credit Builder Card wrong because they assume it's just another secured card. But the surprising truth is that it's designed specifically to help users establish or repair credit responsibly while keeping fees low and processes simple. The card works like a secured credit card. You fund an account that becomes your credit limit, which removes the risk of overspending. Every on-time payment is reported to all 3 major credit bureaus, quietly boosting your credit score over time. That means consistency is more important than the amount you spend. There are no annual fees, and interest doesn't apply because you're spending your own deposited funds. Clio also provides real-time transaction monitoring and notifications, which helps you stay on track and avoid late payments, a critical factor in building strong credit. The app integration is another strong point. You can easily track your balance, set up payment reminders, and even get insights on how your spending and payment behavior affects your credit. Most people overlook this feature, but it's what makes the card particularly effective for responsible financial habits. The downside? This card doesn't offer cashback or travel rewards. Its sole purpose is credit building, so if you're looking for traditional perks, it's not the best fit. Verdict: worth it for anyone looking to build or rebuild credit safely and efficiently. Leave it if your credit is already strong or if you want rewards and perks.